chasing back the night. A moment held suspended, beauty fills the air. A promise whispered softly that tomorrow will be.
Welcome to our Insight. Travel around the world. In this video I show the Arambol nightlife in the off-season. Arambol has definitely got a hippie, festival vibe with daily drum circles on the beach, live music everywhere and impromptu jamming a regular thing. The main drag down to the beach is crammed with market stalls selling all sorts of cheap clothing and beautiful wares from all over India. It's even nicknamed Glastonbury Street because it so resembles all the stalls you see at the festival. It was famously a stop on the hippie trail in the 70s and has steadily grown from then, although is now a hell of a lot busier. There's lots of new Russian tourists as with the rest of North Goa, and the beach is less than clean. It maintains a chilled out vibe though, less the Sidrance Rave Goa is known for, go a few miles south to Anjuna for that. And more of a hub for live music from all over the world. most awesome places to stay in Arambol. There are a lot of affordable accommodation options, from hostels to guest houses, beach shacks and hotels in Arambol. If you're backpacking in Arambol and you'd like to meet other people, check out the popular and highly rated Happy Panda Hostel. This relaxed hostel has an on-site bar, kitchen and library, and all of its rooms have a shared bathroom including a bath. Alternatively, try the Imagination Artists Hostel, where the hosts will make you feel like family, or the super clean and friendly Silly Potatoes Hostel, which has mosquito nets installed over all the beds for your comfort. If you're looking for a female-only dorm, try the Beachfront World People Hostel Arambol. If you prefer a private room, try one of the many affordable hotels near Arambol Beach, Goa. I stayed at the Pia Guest House, which is comfortable, well located and run by a friendly family. The Nanam Guest House is close to the north end of the beach and the helpful staff here prepare tasty food. The Funky Surf Walla offers beachfront private rooms in Arambol, as well as a bar, a garden and barbecue area where you can meet fellow guests. top-rated Aria residency has large, well-appointed apartments including ATV and excellent showers. For beach shacks in Arambol, the Sweet Valley cottages are among the best. The accommodation is basic, but each room has a balcony and free Wi-Fi, and includes breakfast. The most convenient ways to get to Arambol. It's best to get a taxi from Goa Airport to Arambol, as the journey takes up to 2 hours.
chasing back the night. A moment held suspended. Beauty fills the air. A promise whispered softly that tomorrow will be there. grains of golden sand. Letting go of worries as the light fades away. Embracing the serenity of the ending of the day. Sunset, oh sunset, a blaze of glory bright.
You can usually order a private transfer via your accommodation so you don't have to queue for a taxi at the airport. Meet a great mix of people from around the world. Aramboal welcomes friendly, open people from Europe, Israel and beyond, as well as plenty of solo travelers like me. There are parents with toddlers, young sun-seekers, elderly retirees, hippies, punks and yogis, all here to enjoy the warm climate and coastal living. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
It's a lullaby, washing away the pain.